Global communication is directly affected by the process of globalization and helps to increase business opportunities, remove cultural barriers, and develop a global village. Both globalization and global communication have changed the environmental, cultural, political, and economic elements of the world. When we talk about global trade and exchange, it means that countries unify each other for common purpose and benefits. Increase business opportunities. Many companies today hire employees that are located in other countries. Using communication vehicles such as video calling make it simple to converse with colleagues across the globe, almost making it feel as they are in the same room. Fewer cultural barriers. Many people perceive culture to be the root of communication challenges. When people from two different cultures try to exchange information, the way they speak, their body language, or their mannerism can be interpreted differently by the other person. Creation of a global village. Global village is created when distance and isolation no longer matter because people are connected by technology. Widespread telephone and internet access have been life-changing for many people across the world, especially those in developing countries. Globalization refers to the trend towards countries joining together economically through education, society, and politics, and viewing themselves not only through their national identity, but also as part of the world as a whole. Types of globalization. 1. Economic. Countries that trade with many others and have few trade barriers are economically globalized. 2. Social. A measure of how easily information and ideas pass between people in their own country and between different countries includes access to internet and social media networks. 3. Political. The amount of political cooperation there is between countries. Causes of globalization. Improved communication. The development of communication technologies such as internet, email, and mobile phones have been vital to the growth of globalization because they help MNCs to operate throughout the world. The development of satellite TV channels such as BBC and CNN have also provided worldwide marketing avenues for the concept and products of globalization. Causes of globalization. Number 2. Improved transport. The development of refrigerated and container transport, bulk shipping, and improved air transport has allowed the easy mass movement of goods throughout the world. This assists globalization. Cause of globalization. Number 3. Free trade agreements. MNCs and rich capitalist countries have always promoted global free trade as a way of increasing their own wealth and influence. International organizations such as the World Trade Organization and the IMF also promoted free trade. Causes of globalization. Number 4. Global banking. Modern communication technologies allow vast amounts of capital to flow freely and instantly throughout the world. The equivalent of up to US 1.3 trillion is traded each day through international stock exchange in cities such as New York, London, and Tokyo. Causes of globalization. Number 5. The growth of MNCs. The rapid growth of big MNCs such as Microsoft, McDonald's, and Nike is a cause as well as a consequence of globalization. The investment of MNCs in farms, mines, and factories across the world is a major part of globalization. Globalization allows MNCs to produce goods and services and to sell products on a massive scale throughout the world. In globalization on communication, we have the positive and negative impact. Positive impact on globalization: 1. Global market. 2. Growth impact on political cultural. 3. Introduce better trade. 4. Cross-culture management. 5. Growth in different ideologies. 6. New specific research pattern. So, if we have a positive impact, we have also a negative impact. Jobs insecurity. This is because the manufacturing work is outsourced to countries where the cost of manufacturing goods and wages are lower than in their countries. Fluctuation in price. Due to increase in competition, developed countries are forced to lower down their prices for their products. Effects of globalization. The individual level includes the way international influence affects ordinary people within a nation or region. The community level includes effects to local or regional organizations, businesses, and economies. The institutional level include effects to multinational corporations, national governments, and higher education institutions that have international students. At this level, decisions are made that affect the lower levels.